Every year, people take it upon themselves to push the boundaries of what is humanly possible by doing some of the most insane things imaginable. Some put everything they have into it, while others risk everything to become the new Guinness World Record holders. In any case, when a new album is released, it immediately makes news. The world record books have gotten thicker over the years as the records have gotten more and more ridiculous, and today, we've assembled some of the most bizarre world records ever performed by man. In this video we are going to show you insane world records of all time. So without further ado, let's start our video. Longest duration restraining for motorcycles. Franz Austrian Rock Molnar, the world's strongest man, is a contestant from Austria. The daring challenger seeks to break the record for the longest duration while restrained by 4 motorcycles. Each of Franz's hands and feet is attached to a motorcycle, which is driven by a professional rider who must ensure that the power of each motorcycle reaches 500 newtons of force. Italian road racer Fabrizio Pirovano, European superstock champion Lorenzo Alfonsi, and former Grand Prix motorcycle road racers Alessandro Gramigni and Paolo Casoli are among the riders. To break the record, Franz must restrain the bikes for at least 10 seconds, but the strongman manages a grueling 24 seconds. At one point, Franz's right leg alone manages to restrain a whopping 175 kilos. Highest basketball shot. A world record for the highest basketball shot was set, and it was from the top of a Swiss dam. A basketball shooter from Australia has established a new Guinness World Record for the highest basketball shot. Derek Heron successfully threw the ball into a hoop from the top of the Malvoisin Dam in the Swiss Alps, at a height of 593 feet. Derek breaks the Guinness World Record for the highest basketball shot ever, swishing one from a massive 180.968 meters 593.73 feet off the top of Malvoisin Dam in Switzerland on only his third attempt. Felix Baumgartner, highest space jump. Felix Baumgartner of Austria has been the first skydiver to fly faster than the speed of sound. The 43-year-old broke the record for the highest ever freefall when he jumped out of a balloon 128,100 feet, 24 miles, 39 kilometers, above New Mexico. Felix took off from Roswell, New Mexico, USA, at 9:28 a.m. The destination is the farthest reaches of space. Felix became the first human to break the sound barrier in freefall, performed the highest freefall parachute jump at 127,852 feet, and attained the fastest freefall speed 843.6 miles per hour. Joseph assisted Felix throughout the trip, and was his primary point of contact during the record-breaking jump. Years of unthinkably expensive research, development, and testing with industry specialists were required to perfect the equipment. Felix's pressure suit was one of the most essential factors of the jump, because if it failed, he would almost surely die. Chinese man climbs 36 stairs using his head. Many of us would find a headstand difficult enough, but Li Longlong, China, can not only stand on his head, but also walk on it. Li, from the Chinese state of Henan, has held the record for the most consecutive stairs climbed on the head since 2012. He broke his own record of 34 stairs by climbing 36 without touching the steps with anything other than his head. Record-breaking skydiving formation. An international group of female skydivers set a stunning new record for the largest consecutive freefall configuration. Women from all over the world came together to break this adrenaline-fueled record, making this a truly diverse and global accomplishment. Traveling at speeds of up to 240 miles per hour, 164 skydivers flying head-down built the largest ever vertical skydiving formation. Their bodies are seen from above as a stunning mosaic of colorful jumpsuits gliding a gigantic 7,000 feet above the ground. They were able to connect their hands and make a circle with their coordination and ability. Most coconuts smashed in a minute. An Indian man sets a new record by breaking open coconuts with his hand. Opening coconuts can be a difficult task, but not for one man, who broke the record for the most coconuts shattered with one hand in 1 minute. Abhish P. Dominic smashed open 122 coconuts with a long line of coconuts stretched out on a wall in the Indian city of Kottayam, breaking the previous record of 118 that had stood since 2011. Abhish finished his task at a speed of 2 coconuts per second, amidst the sound of cheering from friends and an excited throng. Heaviest mantle of bees. Fearless Ruan Liangming, China, attempts to construct the ultimate bee beard by covering his entire body in bees. Bee bearding is a carnival act that is thought to have originated in the 19th century. Performers wore a queen bee on their body, attracting thousands of the flying insects. The Ruan Challenge was held at Fengxin County, Yichuan City, Jiangxi Province, China. When dealing with bees, the challenger must remain calm. Because bees will die if they sting you, they normally avoid stinging unless they believe you are harming them. Ruan successfully set a record for the heaviest mantle of bees, which weighed a daunting 63.7 kilograms. Lowest limbo roller skating. Shrishti Sharma, age 11, of India, has broken the Guinness World Record for the lowest limbo skating across 25 meters, skating beneath a course of 25 6.69-inch bars. Last year, the remarkable attempt took place at Center Point School in Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. Ms. Sharma broke the previous record of 9 inches set in 2014 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, by holding her body parallel to the floor while maintaining the incredibly difficult splits position with her legs. The rules for this championship weren't difficult enough. The participants' hands or fingers are not allowed to contact the earth at any moment during the attempt. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And do recommend us some topic as well on which you want to see the video in future. We will be back soon with a new video, so till then take care and stay tuned.